Hello everyone, my name is Entomolojosh and welcome back to episode 8 of Pinsect, where today we are going to be pinning a pale brindled beauty, scientific name Phigalia pilosaria. As you can see, this moth is not in the best of conditions, as I found it dead in the middle of the bulb of my moth trap, absolutely fried. So the wings are all crumpled up and it was quite difficult to do, but considering the condition it was in, I think I did a quite job. As you will see throughout the video, I kind of butcher the wings, you could say. However, this could be seen as an example of what not to do. If this was a nice specimen you were pinning, you generally wouldn't put a pin over its wing like that, otherwise you'd risk rubbing off scales. And you certainly would not put a pin through the wing like I am doing now, because that will completely damage the wing and you'll have little holes, or worse, as you will see later. And you can also see the scales coming off when I keep messing it up. Oh lord, washing this back is actually painful. I probably couldn't have done anything else, but I'm so sorry, moth. I'm so sorry. Once again, do not put pins through the wings, please. This is a bad example of what to do. I'm sorry, moth, I have desecrated your corpse. Thank you for watching another episode of Pinsect. If you enjoyed and or learned something new, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss an episode. It would also be greatly appreciated if you could like, comment and share this video. See you next time for another episode of Pinsect.